Sorry, 6:30 AM, Baba. 6:30 AM.
6:30 AM मतलब हम लोग
सुबह.
अरे बाप रे सर, नींद से नहीं उठते सर.
नहीं. The thing is, then only I can talk to you.
Okay, sir, I will look into it.
Expand SEBI.
Yeah.
Expand RBI.
Reserve Bank of India.
Governor of RBI.
Shaktikant Das.
Expand IRDA.
And as we know, electronics is very much important in banking, like from scratch to the top end, like CCTV cameras, ATM machines, to the PC bankings and e-lobbies. So my skills which I have might be helpful for the industry.
No, but you have not answered my question.
You are asking.
I wanted to know how you are suitable. So you have to tell your plus points that are more relevant for banking and tell.
I thought you were asking about my subjects.
You are not answering my question.
Okay, sir. Basically, I'm very perfect learner. I'm also very honest, and I try to work hard and do whatever is given to me in the time. Also, I will try to take advice from my seniors and do whatever the target has been allotted.
Okay, good. Now, what is the news you have read? You are from which state?
Karnataka.
What is the news in Karnataka? Latest news in Karnataka. You must go through newspaper. I have been telling you, Karnataka Prajavani. Hey, what about Prajavani? Hello. Why are you not going through that?
I will now.
You have to go through that thoroughly. What is the local news? Who is Siddaramaiah? Okay.
Siddaramaiah is ex-chief minister and Congress party Karnataka opposition leader.
Who is Mr. H. Viswanath?
I don't know.
He is the boy. Is the person who is asking? Is the government everything coming in? Birthday. It's coming. Yeah. I wanted English, but it is coming. He is asking about that seer, you know.
Because there's no more COVID.
He is telling about that arrest of that seer. SWER. Somebody has been arrested recently, you know. Some Swamiji.
Okay, I don't know, sir.
You don't know?
No.
So it doesn't matter. You must be in the know of things. Come on, tell me names of 4 ministers from Karnataka cabinet.
Okay, sir. First, it's our CM and Finance Minister, Baswaraj Bommai. And next, it's Revenue Minister, Mr. Ashoka, who is excluded from Muzirai. Muzirai Minister is Shashikala Jelle. And Education Minister and ITBT Minister is Ashwath Narayan. And
yeah. Now, can you please tell me who is Mr. Adani?
Gautam Adani is the head of Adani Group, sir.
Why his name is being talked about by everybody in the business?
He's trying to acquire NDTV.
That one. Not only that, Adani Enterprises recognized in Nifty 50.
Oh yeah, yes, sir.
Today's news just now for you. Adani Enterprises recognized in Nifty 50.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yeah. Who is Mr. Shashi Tharoor?
Shashi Tharoor is Congress leader. I don't know which state.
From which state? Karnataka.
I don't.
From
Not
Kerala.
Karnataka.
From
Oh
Kerala.
yeah, yes.
Yeah.
That are more relevant for banking.
And yeah. Next is Jharkhand Chief Minister. Who is the Chief Minister of Jharkhand?
Don't know, sir.
Hemant Soren.
Okay.
So can you tell 3 states in North India and their chief ministers?
Okay, sir. Bihar, it's Nitish Kumar. Assam, not able to remember. Punjab, Balwant Man, and Assam, I don't know.
Uttar Pradesh is his
Yogi Adityanath.
Adityanath.
Yes.
Nobody asks you to tell a name which you don't know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Who is the Chief Justice of India now?
Mr. Lalit.
Excellent. Good. Who is Mr. Amit Shah?
Amit Shah is Union Minister of Home Affairs.
Can you name 3 payment banks?
Jio Payment Bank, Airtel Payment Bank, and Kotak Payment Bank.
No. Kotak has got no payment bank.
Hey,
Kotak Bank, Airtel Payment Bank, PTM Payment Bank, India
PAYTM.
Payment Bank, NSDL Payment Bank, like that. Care Payment Bank.
Okay.
Payment Bank. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Now, what is the present rate of interest as far as, say, bank rate is concerned?
Present bank rate is 5.65%, sir.
Good. What is the present repo rate?
Repo rate is 5.4%.
Who is Mr. Shivanna?
Shivanna, in what context, sir?
No, he is from Karnataka, na? Shivanna.
Shivanna is a film actor. Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, he is a film actor. I think
Yes,
Shivanna on the shooting set of the film starring Janardhan Reddy's son Kirathi. Kirathi.
Yeah. He is the son of Rajkumar, sir, Shivanna.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Shivraj Kumar, his full name is.
Acha, Rajkumar means Punit Rajkumar's son or?
No. Punit Rajkumar's brother. Shivraj Kumar is Punit Rajkumar's brother.
Oh,
There are
great.
totally 3 brothers.
Then I have asked the right name only. Good. Excellent. Good. Very good. Now, please tell me the role played by banks in helping citizens.
Banks play a pivotal role in finance of India. They provide savings schemes for people, and also schemes for business people to open accounts like savings account, current account. They also help people in getting more money by giving them schemes like FD and RD.
Acha, did you go through my yesterday's what is that current affairs snippets and all yesterday, day before yesterday and all that?
Don't start a business.
Day before
Run an
yesterday.
existing business.
Yesterday.
You don't have to
Day
be a
before
rich
yesterday, what did
investor
you
with
read?
bags full of cash.
About Karnataka Bank DG centers.
DG centers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about that.
They have opened 2 DC centers in Yelahanka and Hulimau. They are basically banks without paperwork and in a secure way. We can open a savings bank account and we can apply for loan easily. It is accessible for all generations. It is self-service, or we can do it in assistive mode if we don't know what it is.
Day before yesterday, there was a news regarding Chhatrapati Shivaji's seal. In which
மக்கள்
Yes, sir.
எதுக்கெல்லாம் இது பண்றதுன்னே இல்ல.
Yeah, it was the
தன் பொண்ணோட
navy
பையன்
symbol
அதிக
was
மார்க்
changed.
வாங்கினான்றதுக்காக அவரை
Very good,
விஷம்
very
வச்சுட்டான்.
good, very good.
தேவையா?
Can you please tell me
8ஆம் கிளாஸ்
Nuakhai
படிக்கிற
festival
பிள்ளைய
is celebrated in which state?
Don't know.
It is celebrated in Western Odisha.
Okay, no.
Recently, a district in Kerala has been declared as the full digital district. Which district is that? Is Alapura,
Okay, Alapi.
Alapi.
Yes.
Then,
Okay.
There is a news about a person being appointed as Director General of News Services Division of All India Radio. What is her name? Which district is that? Is Alapura,
Okay, Alapi.
Alapi.
Yes.
Then,
Okay.
There is a news about a person being appointed as Director General of News Services Division of All India Radio. What is her name? Vasudha
don't know.
Gupta. Vasudha Gupta.
Okay,
Okay. Then who is Jasprit Bumrah?
He's Indian bowler.
Very good. He has face of new age, eco-friendly luggage brand uppercase. Some, I think, is a role model or something. I mean, the important person recognized by the company.
Okay.
Now, this name you have to tell me, then only I will give this job to you. Are you willing to take a bet? I will give you 2-3 names. I will give you 2-3 names. You should answer 2 names correctly.
Okay. I'll try, sir. Yes.
Mr. Sundar Pichai is CEO of the company.
Yeah. So, CEO of Google.
Very good. Mr. Lakshman Narasimhan is CEO of which company?
Lakshman Narasimhan. I don't know.
I am asking.
Starbucks.
Starbucks. Yesterday only he has come.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Starbucks. So you have answered 2. Now the third one for you. Tough one.
Okay.
Parag Agarwal is CEO of which
Twitter.
company? Very
Twitter.
good. All the best. You are appointed.
Thank you, sir.
You are
Thank you so much, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.
God
Thank
bless
you.
you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Go with full hope you are going to succeed.
Thank you so much, sir.
And tomorrow, if you answer the questions confidently, nicely, please attend our class at 8:45 p.m.
Sure, sir. I will.
If
Same
you
link,
cannot,
sir.
if you cannot come, send the questions to me through WhatsApp.
Sure. I'll do it, sir.
Very good. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I also wanted to ask one thing. I mean, how will the interview be, sir, compared to what you are doing? Like, will it be easier or tougher?
It will be easier than what I have done.
Okay.
There, they will ask you about yourself, about your college, about your likes, about your dislikes, then about your strengths, about your weakness, about your hobbies, about your family. Then what do you know about Karnataka Bank? Then how you can do it. Simple question.
Okay. Okay, sir. More of personal HR question.
Most
Oh.
best wishes you will do well.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. And what is your
Yes, sir.
father?
My father is a freelance consultant.
Okay, no need for making payment of 100 rupees. Exempted.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Prajna,
much.
Thank you. Prajna, you are from, what is the number? Your phone cell number, please. First 5 digits.
லைவா போட்டு
8089.
என்னோட யூடியூப்ல ப்ளே பண்ணி
8089. Okay, done.
அப்படியே லைவா
I know. Last number is 508.
ஜூம்ல
Hello.
போயிட்டு
Yes, sir.
லைவ் யூடியூப் ரிலே
Hello.
Yeah.
அந்த
Prajna,
பர்టిక్యుலர்
are you able to
யூடியூப்
hear
வந்து எந்த இடத்துல இருந்து போடணுமோ 21st மினிட்ல
Are you able
Yes,
to-
sir. Am I not audible?
Yeah.
Okay.
you're not.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Prajna, you are appearing for which interview?
we have to do
Karnataka
some
Bank
bangom.
Very good. Please,
Right,
which
first
date
one
is your
I saw.
interview?
Money, yeah, for the.
இல்ல பட் அவங்க
On 7th,
குளிக்கல
yes,
குழந்தை.
sir. 10:30.
Very good. This is being recorded. You are aware of that?
Yes, sir. I'm aware.
Very good. Congrats. Be confident. Be hopeful of success.
Okay, sir.
Participate and answer the question. Let me use my earphone. Prajna, you are from which place?
Sir. I'm from Kasur district of Kerala, sir.
Kerala. Oh, which district you say?
Kasaragod.
Oh,
Kasaragod, sir.
Kasaragod. Hello, Kerala boys, girls, please come out of your house, stand under the
வாட் ஆண்டி நீ போட்டோ ஆச்சரியமா இருக்கு
cell phone tower and talk. Huh? Otherwise, I can't hear you because you are going to come only in audio mode. Please get out of your house. It is not very much evening. Now, what is the time? 8 o'clock. It will be dark.
8:30, sir.
Is it raining now?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
No, sir. It's not raining.
not raining. Prajna, is this the first interview you are taking with me?
No, sir. It's a skin interview.
Pardon?
I have already taken one.
Acha,
It's the second interview, sir.
very good. No problem. Please tell me about yourself briefly.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Prajna. I'm coming from Kasur district of Kerala. I have done my schooling in Kasur only. I opted for science for +2 because I like maths and like calculations. I did my +2 in Sarojini Madhusudan Pushe College, Mangalore. I completed my graduation in BSc scoring 80% marks from Government First Grade College, Mangalore. I'm interested in banking sector, so I joined after my graduation. I joined a bank coaching center. After 6-month course, now I'm preparing for bank exams at my home only.
What is your father?
My father was working in a Bank of Baroda. He retired in 2021.
Retired as what?
Was a clerk, sir.
Very good. Did you talk to him about bank interview?
Yes, sir.
What did he
Talked to
tell
him.
you? What is the suggestions given by him?
Talk with confidence. Don't fear for anything. And
That's all.
சொன்னேன்னா ஞாபகம் இல்ல அனந்த கிருஷ்ணனோட
You are having lot of fear and shyness. Are you a very shy?
இறந்து போயிட்டாரு சொன்னல இந்த முன்னாடியே சொன்னீங்க
No, you should not be shy because you are going to meet 2 or 3 people tomorrow in the
Amma.
interview hall and don't have any shyness.
ஓஹோ முன்னாடி கொஞ்சம் சொன்னேன்
Now,
ஓஹோ
Prajna, why should I select you? There are
ரெண்டு
so
பேர் தான் இருக்கா
many boys, girls available.
ஐயோ
I know it is
bank
a
employee.
I know it is a very delicate question and
ஆ
it's irritating question,
Amma,
but
amma.
you have to answer.
சுசித்ரா பாத்தியானோ யூடியூப்ல போட்டிருக்காருமா
A bank
எவ்வளவு லாரி வச்சு
employee
அவளை
should
கொல்ல
know how
பார்த்தாங்க
to speak to people.
சுசித்ரா
And they
பாடுறது
should
இந்த
speak
சுசித்ரா இல்ல சாரி
uh, customer is satisfied with their service.
அவ பேர் என்ன?
So I'm confident about my communication skill and I'm confident that I
அவரு
can do
அவளும்
it.
பாட்டு பாடுவாள். அவ பேர்
Being a
என்ன?
math student, I like
சுசித்ரா.
calculation. So
இவளும்
it's
சுசித்ரா, அவளும்
for a
சுசித்ரா.
bank employee. And I do my any work I do with 100% efficiency and I do with full interest. Then
Good.
I can assure that I'll put my I'll be a good employee and work for the progress of the bank.
Acha, good. Very good. Can you tell me what is NBFC?
It's a non-banking financial sector.
Non-banking financial company or corporation?
Centers. Company, sir.
Company. You
Non-banking
can call it
financial
company. Correct, correct. What are they doing?
They provide they accept they do not accept demand deposits, sir, and they provide loan and but they are similar to banks, but they are not bank. They are not bank.
One more point, very important point is there regarding deposits. They are also permitted to take fixed deposits. But what is the difference between
Yes, sir,
deposits
fixed-
made in bank and deposits made in NBFC?
They are they don't take demand deposits, sir.
That you told me. Now,
Non-
under fixed deposit, what is the difference between a fixed deposit in a bank and fixed deposit in an NBFC?
Don't know, sir.
NBFC deposits are not guaranteed by DICBC.
Yes, sir. They are not. Yes. I
Whereas-
forgot about that.
Yeah, up to 5 lakhs bank deposits are guaranteed by DICBC.
Banks. DI.
Good. What is the expansion of FII?
Financial investment
Foreign institutional investor.
or in foreign investment. Okay.
You are from Kerala, you must be knowing more about foreign because every second relative must be living in abroad, correct?
Yes, sir.
Or your next house people will be residing abroad, or left house people will be living in abroad, no? Mostly Middle East, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anybody from your close relatives living in abroad? No.
Yes, sir. My cousin. My
Yeah.
cousin is living
Where?
abroad.
Where?
UAE.
UAE. So when they reside abroad for 3 years or more, what are they called?
Yes, sir.
What are they called?
NRIs.
Very good.
NRIs.
Can you tell us? Imagine I am an NRI. Please tell me what are the deposit
Yes, sir.
facilities you are going to give me in Karnataka Bank?
NRE and NRO, sir. It's a non-resident external account and a non-resident ordinary account. In non-resident external account, you can deposit foreign currencies. If you
No.
deposit,
You
Also,
have to deposit foreign currency. It has to be only in terms
Yes,
of foreign
sir.
currency.
external account, you
Then
and the deposited amounts. But in NRO, you can see
NRO, you can remit local currency also. I think your internet is not all right, correct? Prajna, your internet is not all right. I think she has gone out. She got out. I think she will come again. Mehak, I think I have already taken an interview for you. Is it not? What is your number, Mehak? Number starting with
So 99900.
so did I ask you to log in and come, or have I given you some other time?
So you said the time 9:20. So I just
Okay.
logged in before.
Very good, very good. No problem. I have written your number. No problem. No problem.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Parajana, what happened? Your internet is very bad.
Yes, sir. Internet is bad, sir.
Your BSNL is bad or Geo is bad?
Airtel.
Airtel is bad. Now Airtel is going to launch a new service. What is that service?
I don't know, sir.
5G. How can you
Yes,
say?
sir. 5G. Sir.
How can you say you don't know? You are a girl who must be knowing current affair and all that.
Yes, sir. I know it.
Yeah,
5G,
good.
sir.
Yeah, 5G. Very good. Now, are you reading current affair news and all regularly?
Yes, sir. Yesterday and today I didn't.
Sir, please
I
tell me.
read newspaper.
Yeah. Please tell me the names of two nationalized banks or public sector banks having headquarters in South India. Yes, I am going for Sandhya Vandanam coming after some time. I am going down.
Bank in Chennai and the Canara Bank, sir, in
Where?
Karnataka.
Bengaluru.
Karnataka.
In Bengaluru.
Bangalore. Yes, sir.
Very good. Can you name, say, this is a question very much relevant for Kerala. 2nd September is observed as what day in the world? In the world, 2nd September is observed as what day? You don't know? You want some choices?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir. No. The answer is World Coconut Day.
I didn't know, sir.
You didn't know. You must know all these local, some small things you must know. Where do you live actually? Kasaragod.
Kasaragod, sir.
What for is it famous?
There is a famous fort, sir, Bakal Fort. It's a little bit far away from my place. And there is a famous temple, Anantapuram, where it is said that Lord Vishnu had took avatar as Padmanabha, and he went through a tunnel towards a temple in Tiruvananthapuram called Ananta Padmanabha Temple.
Very good. Let me go to the next question. Expand SLR.
Statutory liquidity ratio.
What is the present SLR? %. Expand CRR.
18%.
Expand CRR.
Cash reserve ratio.
What is the present CRR?
I didn't go through it, sir.
What is the date of your interview?
On 7th.
Oh, Papa. 4.5%.
Okay, sir. I will look into it, sir.
Expand SEBI.
Security Exchange Board of India.
Expand RBI.
Reserve Bank of India.
Governor of RBI.
Saktikant Das.
Expand IRDA.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority.
Who is the chairman of IRDA? Debashish Panda. Where is the headquarters of IRDA?
Mumbai.
No. It is in Hyderabad. IRDA is in Hyderabad.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, very good. And a last question for you. What is banking ombudsman?
It is a launched by RBI, sir. It is for the when it is to solve the grievance of a customer who comes to for the
You tell me in Malayalam parayo.
no, sir, I talk in Kannada, sir.
Acha, you are Kannada girl,
Yes, sir.
but you said Kasaragod.
That's good, but here all mixed people, sir. All are there.
All mixed.
Malayali
Then
and
talk in Kannada.
yes, sir. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ombudsman ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದಾಗಿ ಆಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ 30 ದಿವಸದ ಒಳಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನವರು ಏನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ombudsman ಒಂದು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಥ್ರೂ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಗ ಲೆಟರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Then no, next you should come to the next point. What is the next point? After giving complaint, what will happen?
He will solve the problem of the customer, sir.
He will look into the grievance and award
Yes, sir.
his decision. What is the maximum compensation he will award?
The 2 lakhs.
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs, sir.
And
And
1 lakh.
and a 1 lakh compensation for if there is a mental harassment like that.
Very good. Thank you. You did nicely. But you were talking like a child or a small girl. Your voice appears
Okay,
like.
sir.
Yeah,
Am I talking in a frightened way, sir?
I don't know, but your voice looks like I will give the voice only 12 years. Not even 12 years. Anyhow, God bless you. Best
Thank you,
wishes.
sir.
Read a lot. Go and attend the interview with confidence. Yeah,
Sir,
tell me the
I have a
questions
doubt.
there. Yeah.
Can we put the any relative's name in a biodata for a reference, sir?
Reference relative's name we are not supposed to put. If he is a distant relative, you can put.
Will they know, sir, if I put the name?
No.
of the
Relative means what relative?
So he's a cousin of mine, sir.
No. Normally we are not supposed to put it like this. Please don't do that mistake. What you should do is talk to your neighbor.
Yes, sir.
Ask pass me
But-
Joe who is residing. Once you please talk to them, but talk to people who like you. Don't go to
Okay,
a person who will think, "Arey, this girl is getting job." It should not be such a people. So go and talk to good people with whom you have good contact. Then get their full address and give the address to in the application form, in the biodata form. They will write a letter if you are selected. They should give good reply about you. They should sell that they know you for 4 or 5 years and you bear good conduct and character.
Okay, sir.
What is the explanation of good conduct and character?
Good behavior and like that.
Nobody knows what is good conduct. What is good conduct for one is not good conduct for another. Doesn't matter. No, good conduct means you are a person who will keep up your words. You will be very sincere. You will be hardworking, and you will be fulfilling your promises. And also, you will not tell lies. You will not cheat others. Something like that.
Okay, sir.
Best
Sir,
wishes.
is my answers not enough, sir, for a question? For HR questions?
Okay, ma'am. No problem. Don't worry. Go with confidence. You are going to succeed.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Don't worry. But talk to your daddy also. Daddy was in bank, na?
Yes, sir.
Please talk to
Right.
him. Daddy, please tell me more about banking. Ask him.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank
you
you,
did
sir.
well. You did well. No problem. But In interview, it is more of luck, more of luck. That moment you enter the room, if they like you, you will be given.
Okay, sir.
But over which we have no control.
Thank you, sir.
Are you able to see my action? Today I am sitting in my grandson's room. They have all gone out, so I'm
Sir,
able
there
to
are
do.
arts in wall.
There are some scenery and all that.
Yes,
Wall is different. Anyhow, you are the plus point in you is that you are smiling or you are
Yes, sir.
laughing. This will help you. I don't know
Okay.
what else can help us, but we should answer the questions also correctly. One or two questions you could not answer properly. Don't worry about it when they are asking further questions. God
Is it
bless you.
okay, no, sir, if we don't answer?
No, it's perfectly in order. See, the success in interview depends on what you are knowing, what you know, and also knowing what you don't know.
Okay, sir.
That's all.
Thank you,
Anyhow,
sir.
today I may continue up to 12 o'clock
12
after
o'clock.
my half an hour break. Then if you want, you can come and sit and watch me asking questions. If you feel you can learn from it. It depends. Not always you can learn because there may be some repetition of questions. So you concentrate on reading current affairs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Shivam Chaudhary is joining us. Then Shivam Nagar. Shivam Nagar, what is your number? Is it that I have given date today or some other date? Shivam Nagar. Shivam Nagar, I think you are appearing for ECGC. Shivam Nagar. Shivam Nagar, are you there? No. Shivam Chaudhary, what is?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Shivam Chaudhary, what is your number starting with?
78087, sir.
Okay, it is there. What about Shivam Nagar's number? Acha, you are unable to mute. Shivam Nagar, what is your number? Shivam Nagar. Shivam Nagar. 85292. I have not given you time today. No? Did I give time today? I will talk to you a little later, Shivam Nagar. In the meantime, Shivam Chaudhary, just wait for about 2 minutes. It was
Okay,
yesterday.
okay.
Shivam Nagar 852900. 852900. I gave yesterday. Acha, that boy, that 10:30 boy. Acha, no problem. Wait, but you must be able to talk now. Without your talking, how can I use it? 1 minute. I will come in about 2 minutes. I'll just take a cup of water and come. All of you stay here. If you want, you can talk among yourselves about banking. शिवम चौधरी मेका का आप लोग क्वेश्चन पूछ लीजिए, पूछ के बात कर लीजिए अबाउट बैंकिंग. हम अभी 2-3 मिनट्स में आ जाएंगे. ठीक है?
Okay.
Miha, what is your number starting with the South Indian, sir? When you said 999. I gave you time today. Yes, sir, you gave 9:20 time, but I joined earlier. Oh, good. Sir, ऐसे इतनी सी बात पे भी ना इतना cheer करेंगे. Oh, good. बुड्ढे से अंकल उससे क्यों
Hello,
सॉरी
guys.
कहते हैं?
Hello. Where are you from, Megha?
Sir, not going. Sir कहते हैं I will come in 2-3 minutes. I will go and get a water for myself. तो सर कहते हैं एक शिवम चौधरी है इस पे और एक मैं हूँ अभी जिसका इंटरव्यू. सर कहते हैं Mihak and Shivam, you talk among yourselves about banking. till the time I come. अब वो बोल रहा है, where are you from, Mihak? Send me now, Mihak बोल. मैं थोड़ी बात कर रही, हाँ नहीं तो क्या? दे दूँ कटोरी. प्लेट पूछ लेना थी या नहीं थी?
Neha, unmute yourself. Shivam Nagar. Yeah. Shivam Nagar, what happened to your this thing? Shivam Nagar, what you can do, you can log out and re-log in. Possibly then you will get sound. Suppose such of those people who are not getting sound in Zoom like this, you should log out and then re-log in. Yeah. Shivam Chaudhary, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Shivam Chaudhary, is it the first interview for you?
No, sir. It is my second interview.
What is your number starting with?
78087.
Yeah. Good. What is your father?
Sir, my father is a farmer.
And are you employed?
No, sir. Currently, I am preparing for banking examination, sir.
Have you remitted 100 rupees for this interview?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Best wishes. Now 78087, your second interview.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You are from which place?
Sir, I am from Katihar district, which is in Bihar, sir.
Oh, Bihar. Acha. Oh. You are from Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Good. What is your degree?
Sir, I have completed my degree in economics in 2019 from Patna University, sir. And after that, I have started for preparing competitive exams, sir, especially for banking examination.
Good. Can you tell me some relevance of repo rates and inflation? In what way are they connected?
Sir, repo rate and inflation, sir, are connected directly, both. RBI control inflation by increasing the repo rate, sir. So the loan becomes costlier for common people. Actually, RBI increases repo rate, so loan becomes costlier for bank also. So banks are unable to give loan to common people, sir, because it is little costlier, and to control inflation, sir, for squeezing money from the economy.
Good. Now, what is the present repo rate?
Sir, present repo rate is 5.25%.
Wrong.
Sorry, sir, it's 5.40%.
5.40%. Very good. So, what is the present reverse repo rate?
Sir, it is a 3.35%.
Correct. Good. What is the present bank rate?
5.65%.
Good. What is the news you have read the recent past about banking, about business, and all that?
Sir, regarding banking, I have heard news about Karnataka Bank, sir. It is opening 2 banking unit in Sir Karnataka, Bangalore, sir, I think.
Karnataka?
In Bangalore.
Yeah. Acha ji. Now let me ask one question. This you may not know. Today news it has come. One Mr. Cyrus Mistry has died.
Yes, sir. Cyrus Mistry, sir, died accidentally, sir, in a road accident, sir.
He was chairman of which organization?
Sir, he was currently chairman of Tata Group, I think.
Not now. He was former chairman.
Former.
He was former chairman. He was removed from that post. Then he contested. That, but nothing could be done in that. His removal was considered okay by the court. Former chairman of Tata Sons, Cyrus Mistry, dies in road accident in Mumbai.
Mumbai, sir.
Mumbai. The name of the place is given as Palghar. What is Palghar?
Sir, Palghar, I think, is a place in Mumbai where was also an incident took places, I think 1 or 2 years ago, sir. Some sadhu got lynched, sir, there.
Oh,
Palghar, sir.
very good. Acha, you are now living in which place?
Sir, currently I am living in, sir, Patna, Bihar. Sir.
पटना बिहार. आपको पटना बिहार में कैसे है कोरोना?
सर कोरोना सिचुएशन अभी तो नॉर्मल हो चुका है सर, क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट 90% पीपल ने वैक्सीनेटेड ले लिए और बूस्टर डोज भी काफी पीपल ले चुके हैं और अभी नॉर्मल है सर.
It seems the gynecologist Anagita Pandole and her husband Daniel Pandole survived the crash, while Mistry 54 and Jahangir Pandole, brother of Darius, were killed in the accident, which happened around 3 p.m., about 120 kilometers from Bombay. It seems the accident took place between two vehicles, one belonging to Cyrus Mistry and another belonging to Anagita Pandole, some gynecologist. It seems the gynecologist and her husband, they have survived, whereas this mystery has been very sad. Very sad. Yeah. Who is Bengal Chief Minister?
Sir, Bengal Chief Minister is Srimati Mamata Banerjee, sir.
Yeah. Srimati Mamata Banerjee. Who is Mr. Sisodia?
Sir, Mr. Manoj Sisodia is a former Delhi Education Minister, sir.
He is also minister now. No? He is a deputy chief.
Sir, I think a deputy chief minister also. I think, sir, I was heard about him, sir. He was something charged on him.
There is some charge, but still he is continuing to be in the office. And who is Mr. Kejriwal?
Kejriwal is the present chief minister of Delhi, sir.
Very good. Can you name 3 states in southern India and their chief ministers?
Sir, first, sir, it was Karnataka. With chief minister is Bomai, sir, Baswaraj Bomai, and second one, sir, it is sir, Andhra Pradesh. K. Chandrasekhar Rao.
No, wrong.
Sorry, Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy, sir. Sorry, Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy, and Telangana, it is K. Chandrasekhar.
Good. Who is our present Chief Justice?
Sir, our present Chief Justice, 48, I think, sir, U. Lalit, sir.
Good. Who was the previous Chief Justice?
Sir, N.V. Ramana, sir. N.V. Ramana.
Good. What is the expansion of UGC in terms of education?
In terms of education, sir, it is a University Grant Commission.
Very good. What is the importance of the day 5th September in terms of education?
Sir, 5th September is a birth anniversary of our former Vice President, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is also a good teacher. He is also a teacher for celebrating their birth anniversary. We celebrate as a Teacher Day in India.
Good. But
National Teacher Day.
There is one mistake in what you said. Can you repeat the answer again? What you said?
Sir, he is former Vice President.
No, he was president also. He was a
Yes,
vice
sir.
president who became a president also. You don't know. That's why I'm telling you. Yeah. No problem. That's okay. Fine. So why should I select you? What is your name? Shivam.
Sir, I think the subject which I read in my degree, sir, I can something explore in my banking sector, and banking sector is all about economy, and I did economics in my degree, sir. So can I use my knowledge in the sector?
Can you tell me what is GDP?
Sir, GDP full form is gross domestic product. It is the total monetary value of a country's production in a financial year. All the people residing in a country, sir, whether it is a national or foreigner.
Good. Then can you please tell me what is GST?
The GST is just a goods and service tax, which was launched in India at 31st July 2017 after 101st amendment in our Indian Constitution. One nation, for one nation, one tax, sir.
Good. That's right. So you told about that. Now coming to another question in terms of economics, is inflation, higher inflation good or lower inflation good? Which one should be preferred?
Sir, higher, both is not good, sir. I think, sir, normal condition is good, sir. In which, sir, people are able to purchase goods, and factory are able to produce goods. Demand for products are manageable in the nation, sir.
Very good. Now, can you please tell me national income estimates are prepared by whom?
Sir, it
Which
is prepared
organization?
by National Statistics Organization, sir.
It is Central Statistical Organization. Doesn't matter. Correct. Yeah.
Sir, both are different, sir.
Yeah. Central Statistical Organization. It is given as Central Statistical Organization. Koi baat nahi. Which kind of power is used more in terms of share? Say electricity in India. Is it hydroelectricity or nuclear or what? Which type of energy is that?
Sir, currently, sir, electricity, India is working more and more for the renewable source of energy for achieving, sir, its goal, 2030 goal, sir.
No, you are not understood my question. Mera question is
hydroelectricity, sir.
Nahin, thermal energy. Thermal energy is what India is using more even today. Hydro is that which we get using water.
Yes.
समझ गए? Very good. कोई बात, no problem. Yeah. See, can you recollect what happened during our COVID days? How the government was managing the economy?
Sir, COVID affected, sir, our nation both in terms of socially as well as economically. Governments are by announcing some relief package. Somehow it is managed to economic condition of our nation, sir. Like our Prime Minister announced some relief package, some schemes like Atmanirbhar Bharat, which make people aware to become Atmanirbhar, self-reliant, sir. Depend on
also, you can also tell about the free food for 85 crore people, free food was given. That
Yeah, sir.
rice,
Free food
wheat,
are also given.
rice, wheat,
Rice,
etc.
wheat.
Expand the POS in terms of banking.
Sir,
Expand
please
the
repeat, sir.
POS.
A point of scale, sir. It is a point of scale.
Super. Good. What do you know about Kisan Agri Gold Scheme?
Sorry, sir, I didn't aware about.
Now, this is Kisan Agri Gold Loan means nothing but a gold loan, that is giving jewels and taking loan and using it for agriculture purposes. You please go to Karnataka Bank website and get
Yes,
to know
sir.
that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, please tell me what is positive pay system?
Sir, positive pay system is introduced by RBI for some amount is fixing after, मतलब सर उतना अमाउंट फिक्स करने के बाद अगर उसके बाद ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं सर, तो कुछ सर इसमें लिमिट फिक्स किया गया है सर. आई थिंक जितना मुझे पता है, मैं अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ सर.
Are you seeing something on the screen?
Yes, sir.
This is from Karnataka Bank only. The idea is 50,000 and above का जो चेक इशू करता है वो अपना बैंक को इन्फॉर्म करवाना है that अच्छा I'm talking Hindi. अच्छा you are only
Okay, sir. I am
you
able
are
to
only
understand,
Hindi.
sir.
Yeah. तो वो बोलना है क्या क्या चेक दिया है for number of the check, date of the check and amount of the check, name of the payee, ये सब बैंक को इन्फॉर्म करना है. कोई फॉर्मेट वो लोग प्रिस्क्राइब किया होगा पॉजिटिव पे सिस्टम, जिसमें भर के वो लोग भेजना है, either say hard copy or through internet or through mobile banking or through internet banking. ऐसा करने SMS में भी भेज सकते हैं. देखो SMS में भी भेज सकते हैं, ब्रांच चैनल में भी दे सकते हैं, नेट बैंक में भी बोल सकते हैं. ये सब करने से फायदा क्या है? जब ये चेक आएगा CTS में आएगा. CTS का मतलब क्या है?
Sir, it is check transaction system, sir.
या चेक ट्रांजैक्शन सिस्टम में जब चेक आएगा ये लोग वेरीफाई करेगा कुछ मटेरियल ऑल्टरेशन हुआ नहीं हुआ, उसको देख के वो लोग चेक को पास करें.
Yes.
So that is positive pay system. And are you willing to take one more question?
Yes, sir.
One more question means at random. Because you are economics candidate, please answer this question. Dash is a type of goods or is a type of good for which demand increases as its price rises. What is the type of good? Is it a club good or different good?
No, sir. No,
Capital
it
good.
is a different good, sir.
Are you sure? Super.
Yes, sir.
Good. Congrats. Best wishes. Even I was not aware of the answer. You gave me the correct answer. Thank you
Yes, sir.
so much. And best wishes. God bless you. Attend the interview with confidence in Delhi. Send us the list of questions they are asking you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
God bless you. You did well. You did well.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is my score, sir, out of 10? How
I can
would you like to score
easily
my
give
score?
you 9 out of 10.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
That, why should I give less than that? I can give you 9, but इंटरव्यू में तो क्या होता है 50% लक है 50% मेरिट में जब चलता है. इन द सेंस जब
Yes, sir.
आप कहीं तो पहले भी बोला है ना, उनका वैकेंसी का बारे में होगा. हाँ, लाइक हिंदी एरिया में क्या क्या आपको वैकेंसी है वो देख के वो डिसाइड करेगा. दो यू मे ऑप्ट फॉर ऑल इंडिया. समझ
Yes, sir.
गया? Anyhow, let us hope for the best. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now we are going to Mr. Shivam Nagar. Shivam Nagar, what is your number?
The 852900.
Check 99900 was that boy's number. Huh? Acha, acha. Mehak number.
So it's mine. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm staying for you. Shivam, क्या number बोला आपने?
Sir, 852900
अच्छा,
180.
कल का number.
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ, कल 10:30 बजे में दिया था आपको, आपने पोस्टपोन करा दिया. क्या रीजन था आपका?
So actually, I have to go somewhere with my family, so that's why I was not able to.
कोई बात. Where are you staying?
Sir, I'm from Haryana,
Oh.
Rador, Haryana.
अच्छा, good. So one Hindi boy, another Hindi boy भी आ गया. Very good. अच्छा,
Yes,
आपका
sir.
किस तारीख इंटरव्यू है?
Sir, on 6th of September.
आपका बारे में कुछ briefly बता दो.
Sir, my name is Shivam Nagar. I have completed my graduation from PHPAY Institute from Kurukshetra University, and then I completed my MBA in the field of marketing from PHPAY Institute under Kurukshetra University, and I also have an experience of an year and a month in ICICI Bank as working as a gold loan expert as a relationship manager, and my hobbies are watching Indian sport, playing badminton. I have interest in acting, and my strength areas are that I have a good communication skills. I read something in the depth, and I'm also an adaptive person to the situation. And to my family background, my father is also an public sector bank employee. He worked as an assistant manager in Punjab National Bank, and my mother is homemaker.
अच्छा, हम लोग पहले बात किया ना शिवम नगर?
No, sir.
एक बार बात किया मुझे लगता है.
नहीं सर, पहली बार ही सर.
और मे बी क्लास में बोला है.
नहीं सर, नहीं. बस मैं आपके YouTube पर वीडियोस देखता.
Because all these details हमको याद है. All these things like Kurukshetra University, MBA in what?
Marketing.
So good. So that means you will be of great use for us if we recruit in Karnataka Bank. How will you try to improve our home loan accounts?
Sir, for the home loan thing, and mainly it happens, sir. Home loan is a thing that home loan is a product that we give to the customer. If a person requires money for making his home or house, or to buy a home or a house. So, sir, in that case, we can contact the customers who require the loan for a big amount to make their homes, and the main role that plays in it is the percentage of the interest rate that the bank is taking. So if we can offer a good interest rate to the customers will definitely come to us, sir.
अच्छा जी, आपने मार्केटिंग एंगल में बता रहे हैं. You are speaking just like that. अच्छा, are you now working in ICICI?
No sir, I resigned from.
कब resign किया?
In May, sir.
How long did you serve in ICICI?
1 year, sir. 1 year, 1 month.
What was the achievement made by you in ICICI?
Sir, specifically, I was in the gold loan department. So I did gold loan business for the bank. The highest amount of gold loan that I did for my bank was 15 lakh rupees last year. So, and I also have done a demat account for the bank and other products also that was of my target area. So.
This 15 lakhs also कोई लड़का हमको पहले बताया था. Did you attend interview for what is your qualification? Degree or post graduation?
The post graduation, sir.
Did you attend for Federal Bank interview?
No, sir. No. It's my first time, sir.
First time, very good. First time. So your contribution was in respect of gold loan.
Gold loan and the clerical work also I have done for the bank, like to pass the checks, and because I was also a relationship manager for the bank, so they make to do work. ICICI Bank make their employees to work in every field. On every desk they shift their employees. they make it their employees, and they allow us to do the work so we can learn more.
Very good. So, which branch were you working, and what was the business
Sir,
position of that branch?
Sir, I was in Ludhiana. Specifically, the name of the branch was Bahadur Ke Road, and it was a market of mandi. Like there is a mandi called in Haryana, Anaj mandi and fruits mandi. So the market was like that, near the fruit bazaar.
What was the major business in that branch?
Sir, the major business of the branch was in the aspect of the main was in the aspect of CASA and FD, because the customers at the on that spot was highly you can say were of big parties, so they deposit their amount in the banks. And the second was the loans, like big loans. They were eager to take the high amount of loans, like in the property loan, LAP loan, and also in other loans like vehicle loan. The business was good for the branch.
So, can you tell me some strategies you will adopt to increase the number of savings bank accounts in your branch? How will you go about increasing the savings bank accounts?
Sir, to increase the saving banks account, first of all, if any walk-in customer that comes in our branch for any other service, so we can contact them and we can tell about the product of saving bank account in our Karnataka bank. And the other thing, like we are having relationship with the customers who we serve on daily basis, we can tell them that they can open saving bank account of their family members, or they can refer to our friends, to their friends. Like this, we can make more saving bank accounts for Karnataka.
Yeah, what do you know about Karnataka Bank?
The Karnataka Bank was a bank that was established in 1924, and its headquarter is in Mangaluru, Karnataka. And it mainly it has its branches in Karnataka and South India, but it works in Pan India also. And its MD and CEO is Mahabaleshwar MS, and this all I know about Karnataka Bank in general.
No, but what do you know about the business position of Karnataka Bank as at the last quarter end?
Sir, actually, I don't remember the exact figures, but in the quarter one, it was comparatively better for Karnataka Bank in the number of figures to the previous quarter in the last year. I read it, but I don't remember.
थोड़ा पढ़ना है, पढ़ के मन में रखना है.
Yes, sir, but I don't exactly remember the figures. I read it, but I forgot.
You have to remember what was the total net profit, 114 something. Then you must remember what was the total deposit, total advances, total business position. That is deposits plus advances. Then what was the in gross NPA, net NPA?
Okay, sir.
That's all.
I will read upon that, sir.
ये पता करने से तो आपको ठीक हो जाएगा. You must remember that.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Let me just put this on that. Share. 1 minute. Hold on. समय नहीं मिलता है जी. बहुत बिजी हो गया ना आज. Yeah. Where are we now? Where are we? Now, 1 minute. Hold on. I have given that. That must be good. Very good. Now, what is your father?
My father is a retired employee from PNB Bank.
Punjab, what was he? What was he?
He was assistant manager and he retired from scale 1 officer.
Good. Yes. Was it that he was not willing to take further promotions?
Yes, sir. Actually, some condition was not right in our home, and so that's why he wasn't able to switch to the other places, because he gave the exams, but
he was keen that
he was not able to shift.
He was not willing to be promoted.
No, he was willing to be promoted, but due to some circumstances, he was not able to shift to the other places. Like he got promoted to the other states, So he didn't take promotion because of that, to shift to the other city. This was
So
mainly the reason.
So Shivam also will do like that?
No, sir. No, I am adaptable to every situation. I like to, you can say, like, sir, to go to other places and to know about the things in the different places of India. So I don't have any problem regarding that, as the condition is also all right.
We will post you to Mangaluru. Will you go?
Yes, sir. Why not, sir? It is a good city, and there is so much to explore in that city. So I will definitely go, because the headquarter of Karnataka Bank is in Mangaluru. So it will be the best opportunity for me to go to Mangaluru.
ऐसा नहीं करेगा. Mostly they will post you in North India only, हरियाणा और पंजाब and all that. अच्छा जी, ये पंजाब में क्या चलता है? वो बोलता है 300 units electricity free, ऐसा बोलता है. सुना है उसका बारे में?
Yes, sir. I have listened about it, but अभी implement नहीं सर हुआ ना.
हो गया, implement हो गया ना.
अच्छा सर. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. वो मैंने जब मैं था सर वहाँ पर, तब नहीं था सर वहाँ पर.
Implement हो गया था और फर्स्ट महीना का बिल भी आ गया था, जिसमें nearly so many people, 25 lakh people have got zero electricity bill.
Okay, sir.
मतलब per month, if you consume less than 300, I think they are exempting from bill.
Okay, sir.
What do you think about this? Is it a good thing or bad thing? So
sir,
yeah.
Sir, actually, in my opinion, this is not that good, because it ultimately enhances the burden of the government. And the government isn't having that much income, and they are just giving free electricity. So the revenue of the government will stuck off, and they will not able to do many more things that they can do for the development of Punjab. So in case of Delhi, like AAP did, it was a good decision, because Delhi is a smaller UT, and many people are more educated, and Delhi is more developed than Punjab. But for Punjab, development now is the more important. For that, not giving free electricity, sir. But I think so.
But in terms of, you said more than Delhi, which is a very developed place. 1 minute, is it Delhi or Punjab? I think India. 1 minute, India per capita income, state-wise, union territory-wise. Yeah, list of Indian states, union territory, GDP per capita. Yes, please.
Nothing. I was reading on the screen. So sorry.
Yeah. Now here, I think Delhi ka. What is this?
Delhi is on the 3rd place.
NSDP per capita. Is it coming like that? Delhi comes in 3rd place.
Yes,
Chandigarh comes in 4th place. Punjab कहाँ आता है? पंजाब किधर है?
19.
पंजाब 19 में है. अच्छा, ठीक है. आपने जो बोला वो सही है. Very good. So you are a person, 1, who has got experience. 2, you are able to communicate well. So you worked as an officer, now willing to come as a clerk. You are appointed. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Please attend the interview and send the list of questions they are asking.
Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask a question.
Your number was?
8529.
अच्छा, this number. Correct. Tell me.
सर एक्चुअली वो मुझसे ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं कि ICICI बैंक सर एक मतलब काफी अच्छा ब्रांड था, तो उसको आपने स्किप करके यहाँ पर आने के मतलब आप कर्नाटका में जाना चाहते हो, तो सर इसका मतलब थोड़ा सा हाउ कैन आई आंसर?
ICICI Bank is a big brand for the owner, not for the employee.
Yes, sir. It was because sir,
no.
Actually,
the service conditions were not good in ICICI Bank as compared to Karnataka Bank, and the promotion opportunities were also not good in ICICI Bank as compared to Karnataka Bank. That is why I am coming to Karnataka Bank.
Oh, sir, can I give the aspect of salary also because I
Yeah,
visited,
yeah, obviously. आपने salary बोलने का जरूरत नहीं, खाली ऐसा बोलो
हाँ.
career prospects, something like that बोल दे. If they want, let them ask you what do you mean by career prospects? Then you can say it includes salary and also promotion.
Okay.
Yeah, promotion. Job satisfaction को तो दोनों भी एक ही मिलेगा, लेकिन ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, they should pay more than IBA salary. They are paying much less.
Yes, sir. Actually, that was one of the main reasons that I left from there. Sir. The work pressure was very high and
No, work
salary
pressure,
was not
let the work pressure be high. Why not
Yes,
they
sir.
pay salary at the IBA salary level? Some one increment more they should give. That much is the work done by the employees because there is no clerical staff. Everybody is asked to do all the work.
Yes, sir. That was like that.
Anyhow, best wishes. You did well. And please
Thank you,
send
sir.
the list of questions they are asking after.
Okay, sure, sir. So can I sit here to watch other?
You can watch, no problem. Anybody can
Thank-
come and sit anytime. There is no
Okay.
secret here. No secret.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your guidance.
Very good. Next is our MICA. I know your number starts with 999.
Yes, sir.
MICA, this is the second time or first time?
Sir, it's the second time, but when I gave you the interview for the first time, I was not at all prepared. So you gave me another chance.
Very good. You are from which place?
So I am from New Delhi.
Oh, that is New Delhi. Which date is your interview?
6th September.
What is your basic degree?
Sir, BCom.
Oh, commerce wala.
Yes, sir.
So what is your father?
So my father works in Ministry of Defense.
Oh, baba, बहुत बड़ा जगह है. Huh? Ministry of Defense.
Yes, sir.
What is he in that?
So he is PS.
PS का मतलब private secretary.
Yes, sir.
What is the job role of a private secretary?
So basically, he attends the phone calls that comes for his boss, arranges the meetings, and basically take care of every issue surrounding the boss.
And you wanted to say कुछ काम नहीं करता है.
नहीं, पापा ऐसा कहते हैं कि मेरा कुछ काम नहीं होता है. मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रही हूँ.
अच्छा, that's normal. Good. What is your mother?
Yes. So my mother works in LIC.
Oh, great, yaar. You will certainly get selected provided you answer with confidence and with clarity.
Yes, sir.
LIC का बारे में कुछ news बताओ.
The LIC recently launched its shares initial public offering.
But next point तो हम लोग नहीं बोल सकते. तो बहुत खराब हो गया. उनका दाम तो इतना कम हो गया उसका वो बोलने का जरूरत है. Good. LIC, but you can tell when they ask you what do you know about LIC, you can say it is the only one public sector life insurance company in our country. And LIC is the pioneer who has taken the task of taking financial inclusion in our country by taking PMJJBY, PMSBY to masses. Please tell me about PMJJBY, PMSBY.
Yes, sir.
No, don't look into the papers.
No, sir, I'm not looking in the papers. So PMJJBY is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Basically, it is given to the age group of 18 to 50 years. And it is about
No,
giving.
I don't think 18 to 50, it is 18 to 70. No?
So I will look into
I
that.
remember, no, I remember very well because I could not take it. I could not take it, so I remember it must be something different. Yeah, 1 minute, hold on. Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. LIC PMJJBY. No problem, but it's not a big thing. It's not a big thing. What is the PMJJBY life thing that we know? What is the premium? What is the premium?
So I don't know so much detail
अच्छा,
about it.
ये तो आपने पढ़ा नहीं है.
So ये नहीं
ये थोड़ा
पढ़ा,
पढ़
मुझे भी
लीजिए.
पता.
ये थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. PMJJBY is a scheme under which people are given life coverage up to 2 lakhs. Even if the person dies out of natural death, then not necessarily accident, the nominee will be given 2 lakhs. And the premium for this is now 436 rupees. The scheme is gaining more importance because the coverage of 2 lakhs for such a loss. Oh, what is the amount? What is the year you told? 18 to 50.
Yes, sir.
You are correct. Good. You are correct. Sometimes when it comes like this, you must confirm, you must tell firmly, yes, sir, I am sure. I am correct.
Okay.
So that way, very good. Oh, I could not take it because I was already 70 or 69 or so when the scheme came. 3 or 4 years. Good. So your answer is correct. Now, what is PMSBY? उसमें coverage कितना है?
और उसके बारे में नहीं पता है.
Udhar maybe coverage is only 2 lakhs, but it is for accidental insurance, and the premium is बहुत कम है. खाली 20 रुपया. ये खाली 20 रुपया. 20 रुपया में आपको चाय भी नहीं मिलता है.
Yes, sir. It is very.
Yeah, and the one irony of this scheme is it's a social security scheme. It seems LIC has paid as claim more than the amount of premium it has collected. That is why they increased the premium. Earlier it was 330, they raised it to 436. Earlier it was 12, they revised it to 20. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you please tell me the 3 golden rules of bookkeeping?
Yes, sir. The
Miss
3
Patti, you're
golden
going
rules
for
of
movie?
bookkeeping are in case of personal account,
No,
it is
no,
debit
no,
the
no,
receiver,
commitment.
credit the giver. In
There
the
you
case of
go.
real account,
There
it
you
is
go.
debit
What
what
was
comes
it?
in, credit what goes out.
Patti,
And in the
two lights
case
to
of
one, man.
nominal account, it is
One.
debit all
Patti,
benefits,
until
costs and losses, and credit all income and gain.
Good. Comedy. Now, please tell me, what is the journal entry that we will be passing for purchase of a car for 5 lakhs, amount being paid?
Yes, it will be car account debit to bank account.
Super. Good. Can you please explain what is bank reconciliation statement?
Yes, bank reconciliation statement is prepared by the business because there are some terms to match the. I mean, how do I explain it? I know it's can I explain it in Hindi?
Why not? It is your language. Okay, it is our language, country's language. बताइए.
Yes, yes. जो हमारी बैंक स्टेट जो बिजनेस की बैंक स्टेटमेंट होती है, कई दफा उसमें कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो हमारे कैश बुक में मैच नहीं करी होती, तो हम वो करते हैं कि एक दिन पे अगर वो मैच नहीं कर रही हैं तो बिजनेस कैश बुक की उसमें वो एडिट करता है कि क्या क्या चीजें रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुई हैं और उनको वो रिकॉर्ड करके दोनों का बैलेंस सेम लाता है.
but you can tell some example also. For example, we would have deposited some check and we would have entered in our
And
cash
it has
book,
not been
whereas
cleared yet.
yeah, we would have issued some check for payment, but that would have not have been present. Isaac goes. Okay. For
And
example,
some charges are also charged by banks, which
super.
we have not entered.
We should actually. Similar to the car entry vehicle, we have issued a check for car, but the check would not have been present.
Yes.
Good. You told this nicely. Very happy. Please tell me what is balance sheet.
Yes, sir. Balance sheet records all the liabilities and assets of the business, and at the end of the financial year, the liabilities and assets should be matching. If they are not matched, then there is definitely some error in the bookkeeping.
Good. No, but this we have to tell under trial balance itself. But इधर में आपको बैलेंस होने का बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. खाली बोल दीजिए बैलेंस शीट इज अ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ assets and liabilities. So what are the items that will appear under the asset side of a bank balance sheet?
Okay. The bank's balance sheet will record its assets, the term deposits and demand deposits.
Wrong.
And the
Wrong. Totally wrong. You are a commerce student.
The bank's balance sheet.
बैंक बैलेंस शीट में लायबिलिटी में आएगा आपको कैपिटल एंड रिजर्व्स. लायबिलिटी में आएगा आपको डिपॉजिट्स रिसीव्ड.
हाँ ठीक है. सर मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया.
उसका अलावा व्हाट एवर बोरोइंग्स बैंक हैज मेड फ्रॉम रिजर्व बैंक और अदर बैंक्स. एसेट साइड में आएगा फिक्स्ड एसेट्स like building, car, machinery, etc. Correct. And then asset side में आएगा loans and advances given by the bank to others.
Yes.
Apart from this, whatever money bank has deposited in other banks, like Reserve Bank or State Bank, other banks, those things will come under the asset side.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
What is depreciation?
Depreciation is the normal wear and tear of the assets in the passage of time. The value of the assets decreases over the years due to the wear and tear, and that is known as
example बोल के example रख के बोलने से तो easy हो जाता है. आपने सही बताया. Reduction in value of the assets periodically, whereby supposing in the case of car, the value of the car is being reduced by 10% every year. We purchase a car for 10 lakh rupees. At the end of the first year, its value will be 9 lakh as per our books. Like that you can tell. Good. I really appreciate Metak because she was very patient enough to wait for more than an hour, listen the interview of others, and then you came. Good. I really, patience is very much important for in a bank job, you know.
Yes, sir.
Not only here, tomorrow when you go for interview also. कितना बजे interview को बुलाया आपको?
So उन्होंने 1:30 का टाइम दिया.
1:30 का टाइम दिया. आप तो 12:30 में जाएंगे. हो सकता है 2:30 बजे 3 बजे हो जाएगा. So you must be willing to take care of this. अच्छा जी, कुछ नया न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग में कुछ न्यूज़ आए? आप तो दिल्ली से आ रहे हैं, हम लोग को नया न्यूज़ बताओ ना.
Yes, the recent news is that Delhi government has taken back its old excise policy and its latest excise policy, and it has implemented the old policy now.
अच्छा, oh. What is the problem in the new policy? You are a girl, you must be knowing current affair and all that.
So in the new policy, they have shut down all the government liquor shops, and they gave the private shops the कि वो बेचे सब लिकर, और उन्होंने काफी अमाउंट भी लेस कर दिया था, सब्सिडी दे दी थी ₹50 की पर बॉटल, जो कि बहुत नुकसान हो रहा था उससे गवर्नमेंट को। और मेन रीजन ये था कि उन्होंने ये सब इम्प्लीमेंट करने से पहले लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर से कंसल्ट नहीं किया, जबकि ये सब पहले उनसे डिस्कस होकर इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए था।
And here some bad news I am seeing on the street. Bed Bath and Beyond बोल के एक बड़ा दुकान है यहाँ अमेरिका में, उनका CFO he has jumped from 18th floor because he has announced job cuts for people and he was mentally affected. It's only 52 years old. Very sad. This time after this COVID crisis and this inflation and all, throughout the world people are facing problem. And see next also, अरे भाई न्यूज़ देखने से कब खराब न्यूज़ ही आएगा ना क्या? हाँ देखो ना, ये सोनाली फोगट, इनका न्यूज़ आता है, इनका नाम क्यों न्यूज़ में आता है? You know, you don't know.
Yes sir. Yes sir, I know कि उनका गोवा में पहले ये था कि वो हार्ट अटैक से डेथ हो गई, बट फिर लेटर ऑन इन्वेस्टिगेशन से पता चल रहा है कि उनका मर्डर हुआ है, तो अभी उस पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है।
Super. So you also updated with this. Good. Now, what are your hobbies, please?
Yes sir, I design clothes in my free time, and I also like to paint.
Clothes in your free time.
Yes sir, paint.
Excellent. Good. What is the happiest day Neha had so far?
Yes sir.
Yeah, तकलीफ क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया.
No sir. Sir, when I was in my second year of college, I got the first rank, so that was the happiest moment.
Good, very good. Which college did you study?
So Janki Devi University.
In Delhi?
Janki Devi College from Delhi University. Yes sir.
How reputed is that college? What is the cutoff for admission?
So it goes very high.
You know, but I was told that the best one is some Sriram College or something.
The top ones are in the North Campus, but this college is also very good. The cutoff was really high.
अच्छा ये बताओ, आप लोग का दिल्ली स्टूडेंट्स का नॉर्मल बिहेवियर कैसा है? आप लोग क्लास रेगुलरली अटेंड कर रहे हैं, और जैसे अभी जूम में चलता है, ऐसा में भी कब चाहिए जब आएंगे, तब चाहिए जब जाएंगे, कैसे करते थे आप? Do you understand?
So I graduated in 2018, so it was yes sir. I graduated in 2018, so it was prior the COVID era, so we had to be present in the college. It was never online.
No, not a question of online. हमने सुना है, हमारा कोई friends used to go as a guest faculty for conducting placement classes in Delhi and all. उधर में हमने सुना है, those people are boys, you know, they will come when they want, they will go when they want. During the class चलने के समय पर बट जब आएगा वो लोग अच्छा से काम करेगा, माने सुनेगा, प्रॉपरली आंसर करेगा, ऐसा, दैट इज द मैसेज।
यस सर, ये होता है। यस सर, ऐसा कर सकते हैं। क्लास चल रही होगी तो हम लोग निकल सकते थे,
अच्छा,
उसमें कोई टीचर कुछ नहीं कहता।
in South India and all, the culture is if you enter the class, after the class has started, you have to get permission and come. And when you go also, you are supposed to take permission and go. Whereas
Yes.
North India में ऐसा चलता है. Good. In a way, it is good. North India में, when I was there in 1906 to 99, all my employees had 2 jobs. एक जॉब जब बैंक में काम करेगा, दूसरे जॉब अपना घर में करता, मतलब वो कुछ ब्रोकरेज करेगा, नहीं होने से कुछ टीचिंग करेगा. And so much so, I was also forced to do that because the cost of living is very high. And I was teaching in a college in Delhi, San Das Gupta College, in what is that, in Karol Bagh. हमारा शेड्यूल बहुत टाइट था. सुबह कितना बजे, इतना ठंडा है और गर्म है वो तो अलग बात है. 7 बजे उधर होना है, 7 to 8:30 उधर क्लास लेना है. घर को वापस एक खाना खा के 9 o'clock गाड़ी लेके, bank has provided car. I used to take the vehicle, go to the college office, attend the office around 5. I will manage the work such a way I leave by 5:30, 5:40. 6:30 फिर जाना है शाम को. 6:30 to 8 class लेना है. अरे भाई. And of course payment used to be good there. Delhi is a place where you will get money will pour like this automatically. Very good. So Mehak, what is the meaning of the name Mehak?
Yeah. So it's mehak and its meaning is fragrance.
Good. Fragrance. I have no other question to ask you. I've been with you for 20 minutes roughly. Do you have any questions? You answered
Yes,
well.
sir,
You answered well. And tell me.
Sir, actually, I tried to learn something about product-linked incentive, but I was not able to understand that. Can you please explain?
Product
if you have time?
linked incentive. Banking में अच्छा. No, but they are telling product linked incentive, but ऐसा नहीं होता है. कैसे होता है? इंडियन बैंक ने अभी linked incentive दिया था. उन्होंने बोला है, when you are able to have a profit over and above some limit, then all the people will be given some money. All the people will be given some percentage, some rupees, as clerical को इतना है और officer को इतना है आता. It is not fully implemented as if, it is not like a car company where you can measure in this shift how many cars have been produced. And here also you cannot measure it like how much deposits. That can be done if you are going to link it like your LIC, where the agent is given the credit, the ADO is given the credit, or development officer is given the credit, whereas it is not so. Here they have some idea, product, I forget, product linked incentive in banking. This is coming like this. Why is it going like this? Just a minute for 5 minutes. Just a minute. Product linked incentive किधर है? आया था? Production linked incentive scheme for 14 keys.
Yeah.
So इसको ये link I am giving you in our Telegram. इसको थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए, and I think you must understand. Otherwise, I have to read along with you. समय नहीं है. That is a problem.
Okay.
Not that I don't
हाँ
want.
सर मैं कर लूंगी देख लूंगी.
Yeah, I am terribly busy, you know. So because
Yes.
tomorrow interview is starting.
Yes.
Please read it. Please read it. Best wishes.
Thank you sir.
Thank you. Any other questions? You did this time better than what it was last time. What is your opinion? Even now you are not happy?
No sir, I am happy but कुछ चीजें होती है ना कि पता होंगी कि क्या है but explain नहीं कर पाऊंगी वो दिक्कत है मतलब
Then
it's
you-
just the
you-
confidence that is low.
No, wherever you are not able to explain with some concept-based points as it is, you use some example. For example, what is post-dated?
Yes sir. Yes.
Post-dated check posting. So I told you, I have told in one video, if today's date is 4th September, if any check is presented to us dated 5th September or so, that is post-dated.
Mhm.
Like that, with
Yes.
example, you can tell that. Okay, best wishes.
Okay sir. Thank you.
Thank you. I will close this, then again come at 10:30 for, I think I have given time for some other persons. Thank you. Bye. Anybody else? Only you are there. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes sir.
Yeah. So yes, Anila, I will close this and come again for your number starts with 79835. Excuse me, Anila. No, Anila. Your number starts with 79835, or it's okay. I'll close this. Come again at 6 o'clock Indian Standard Time. Thank you.